पहले तो रिस्क लग रहा था, नहीं जाना, एक दूसरे को देख के नहीं जाना, पहले तू जा बट फाइनली कर लिया, फिर इट वाज फन, दूसरी बार करने का मन हो गया।
How was your experience?
Awesome!
तो कुछ नया इस ट्रैक पे आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया अपनी लाइफ?
ऐसा ट्रैक रैपलिंग फर्स्ट टाइम।
तो डर लगा?
बहुत।
और अब लग रहा है?
भी था। नहीं अभी नहीं लग रहा है।
अब कैसा लग रहा है?
अब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
My name is Rikesh Shah.
I am Paran Jogirathani. I am from Science.
I am Haloni Gala. I am from Borivali.
So how was your experience so far?
It was amazing. It was the best trek I've ever gone to, and I really liked it.
Water rappelling was the most adventurous thing I went in through of my life for the first time. It was quite amazing. I just loved this place.
First tell me your name, one by one.
Sagar Chheda.
Myself, Harsh Kumar. Shubham Chaudhary.
So how was your experience so far?
Experience was good. New thing. Rappelling अच्छी थी.
Rappelling बहुत अच्छी थी.
पहले थोड़ा लगा पीटा. But then it was good.
फर्स्ट चांस ही था हम लोग का, तो कुछ था नहीं देखने को, जैसे वैसे उतरे, कैसे भी उतरे, बस उतर गए.
How you feeling, madam?
तुम भी करा रहे हो?
नहीं होगा. Yep.
Experience was real awesome. Actually, I was really afraid in the beginning, as I told you. But I nailed it.
It was amazing. Worth it. Very nice.
Wow, what a reaction! चाहिए था, करना चाहिए बार-बार हमेशा.
डर के आगे जीत है.
How was the experience, sir? कैसा experience था आपका? Oh, lovely, awesome, man! I enjoyed it. How was the experience?
Great. After a long time I did this.
Okay.
Great experience. Great safety over here.
Okay.
मेरा ये water rafting का first experience था and it was awesome.
How was your experience? Amazing.
First water rappelling experience.
Same here. It was amazing.
मुझे मेरी boring life से break मिली.
Hello everyone.
Hello,
So what are the name of these pretty ladies?
I'm Janvi Thakkar. Mansi Dave.
So you guys are from Mumbai?
Yes,
So how was the trip?
it was too good. Super.
Achha.
We would like to thank Adventure Diaries. Thank you, Adventure Diaries.
Thank you Adventure Diaries for all the fun pictures and movies.
My life first experience in adventures. Thank you Anurag bhai. Thank you The Adventures Diaries. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Pragati. And I'm Mayur. So this was the first time we went trekking and it was great. And thank you so much Adventure Diaries for capturing us and giving us such beautiful memories.
It was an awesome experience and I would like to actually do more adventures. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you Adventure Diaries.
Hello everyone, this is Anurag. First of all, thanks to all the wonderful people, especially my team, my crew. I'm happy to say that the vision with which I started this company, The Adventure Diaries, we have reached on the next level now. So, for more videos and knowing more about The Adventure Diaries, please join us on Facebook. Till then, take care.